Urban forests thrive when communities understand and support them. While professional arborists and urban foresters manage many aspects of tree care, the long-term success of urban forestry programs often depends on public engagement. Public outreach and education help communities understand the value of trees and encourage residents to participate in caring for their local urban forest. Many people interact with urban trees every day. Trees line streets, shade sidewalks, and grow in parks and neighborhoods. However, many residents may not realize the important environmental services these trees provide. Public education helps explain how trees contribute to cleaner air, cooler temperatures, stormwater management, and improved public health. One common outreach strategy is community tree planting events. These events invite residents to help plant trees in parks, school grounds, or neighborhood streets. Planting events not only increase tree canopy, but they also strengthen community connections. When people participate in planting trees, they often develop a sense of ownership and responsibility for those trees. This can lead to improved tree care and higher survival rates for newly planted trees. Another important outreach tool is educational programming. Urban forestry departments and nonprofit organizations often provide workshops, presentations, or educational materials that teach residents about tree care. Topics may include proper watering techniques, mulching practices, and how to identify tree pests or diseases. Educational programs may also target schools. School-based tree programs help introduce students to the importance of trees and environmental stewardship. These programs encourage young people to develop an appreciation for urban forests and may inspire future careers in environmental fields. Many cities also provide online resources and interactive maps that allow residents to learn more about local trees. For example, some cities maintain online tree maps where residents can view the location, species, and size of trees in their neighborhood. These tools increase transparency and help residents feel more connected to the urban forest. Community partnerships are another important part of public outreach. Urban forestry programs often collaborate with nonprofit organizations, neighborhood associations, and environmental groups. These partnerships help expand the reach of educational efforts and support volunteer participation. Volunteers may assist with tree planting, watering young trees, conducting basic inventories, or helping monitor tree health. Public outreach also helps address common misunderstandings about trees. For example, some residents may worry about leaf litter, root damage, or maintenance costs. Educational efforts can help explain how proper tree selection and maintenance reduce these issues while still providing significant benefits. Ultimately, successful urban forestry programs recognize that community support is essential. Trees grow in shared spaces, and their care requires cooperation between governments, residents, and organizations. By building strong relationships with the public, urban foresters help ensure that urban forests are valued and protected. For the ISA Urban Forest Professional Exam, remember that public outreach and education are key components of successful urban forestry programs. Exam questions may emphasize that community involvement improves tree survival, encourages stewardship, and strengthens support for urban forest initiatives. Today we explored how public outreach and education help build community support for urban forests. By engaging residents, schools, and community organizations, urban forestry programs create stronger partnerships and encourage stewardship of local trees. But community engagement often depends on one powerful concept: the many ways trees benefit people and communities. In the next podcast, we'll explore how urban foresters communicate the value of ecosystem services to the public and decision makers. You've been listening to the Arborist-podcast. Our goal is to grow our collective knowledge, one domain at a time. If you enjoyed the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to help us keep this momentum. Until next time, let's keep growing this community together.